This is our modern U.S. history Go Fish game. Each card game comes with a little booklet that has directions for each of the history games you can play, and also has a paragraph written for each of the card images, so you can learn about the history of each of these things while you play the card game. When you open up the box for the first time, the cards are neatly wrapped, and here we have the cards displayed for you. In Category 1, Reconstruction. Category 2, Trans-Mississippi West. Industry and Growth in the late 1800s. Progressivism, 1901 to 1920. America Enters the World Stage. The Roaring Twenties. Great Depression and New Deal. World War II. The Fabulous 50s. The 1960s. The Reagan Revolution. And the 90s and the new millennium. This is our modern U.S. history Go Fish game.